Today we're going to look at how to clear or unclog a toilet using a plunger. It's typically what you see in a bathroom is set up like this. These plungers are okay, and typically it's all you have. So you can see here this is an elongated toilet. So the plunger doesn't actually make a good seal. So it makes it a lot harder, but it's still possible. Because I don't have a good seal, what I'll try and do is force the water towards the exit where everything leaves the toilet. That's pretty much your only option at this point. So what I've done now is I've blocked the toilet off just using toilet paper, and you'll see here I'm going to try and angle the plunger actually towards the exit of the toilet, and that's going to help me. If you have a better plunger and a better seal, you can try and pull up as well as push forward. Sometimes the pull up works better than the push forward. And this is going to take a little bit because I don't have a good seal, and typically this is the only plunger you have to use. They do make a lot better plungers, but usually if you're watching this video, this is your only option. So make sure you flush the toilet afterwards to make sure it did go away. You can see the water level is very low afterwards. But here we are flushing. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.